This is the Green Nature Diamond inside. This is the 4th floor. That is where reception is, and at the bottom is where your shops are and where you go for your breakfast, dinner and lunch. It is 4:30 in the morning. That is a main road, but because of the light you can't see. And I will see you at the bottom. Just come out of the lift. That floor there is where reception is. This is your tattoo, hair studio. But like I say, it's 4:30. The only shop that is open is where you get your milk and your tea bags, your Red Bulls, your Cokes, your crisp, and that's just behind the stairs. Over there you've got your spa treatment and stuff. That opens a bit later on. Through there, opens at 7 for your breakfast. Yeah. This board here has entertainment on, what's going on through the day. Outside seating area, getting cleaned. That's the inside. Like I say, opens at 7. Has other stuff through the day. Food wise, on both sides. This is the Green Nature Diamond from the back. Grass area. Through the day it has football, darts, polo, other stuff. Like I say, it is 4:30, 4:45. Yeah. Through that way, kids club, if you want to drop your kids off and parents want to go and get pissed, which I don't agree with. Come on holiday as a family, spend it as a family, don't drop your kids off. But hey, it's only my opinion. Little kiddie pool there. comes onto the main pool. Right over the back over there, it is an adult pool. Adults only. People leaving towels. I'm not staying with them. More towels. People just put them down and don't stay with them. More towels. This opens at 12 o'clock. More food. They do bingo under there as well. Just under there, you'll go directly to the beach. Got your slides, but you can't really see because it's dark. But people always ask if it's got steps. Yeah, it's got steps. It is all the same length throughout. I think it's 1.5 throughout. And this is the Green Nature Diamond poolside.